Hello, today we're going to be talking about misinformation. Today we are in an age of alternative facts, and where any fact is just a matter of opinions. Now, the problem with this, and arguing with this, is that in order to have a discussion, you must agree on a fact, and then you disagree with how that interacts with other things. For example, you have these two sides which would be like women are paid less, but that's because of the job they're in and other things like that, compared to women are paid less because of widespread, systematic, and insidious, and oftentimes invisible discrimination. Now, from that, we still have a base. We still agree with the fact that women are paid less. And so from there, how do you deal with that? You can't just say, if you disagree with that fact, you just end up with people shouting over each other. There were many people at this event. No, there were this many people at that event. I'm using this source. No, I'm using this source. And you can't agree. You can't agree on anything because you don't have anything to start with. You don't have a point to go from. And you can't have a good debate like that. Now, is there a solution to this? I would also like to know that answer because I personally don't know. It's very hard because there is no easy answer in this, as with most of life's problems. Ideally, people would get educated on debating and critical thinking, but let's be honest, that's really hard. But otherwise, just hold out and know when not to argue in. The best you can really do is agree to disagree on those facts and drop it, because you're not going to convince someone if they don't share the same facts as you. And you're not going to convince anyone they support, and you're not going to convince anyone who agrees with them if they also don't agree with your facts. And I don't know the solution here, because it should not be just to cede and forfeit if you think that their stats are wrong, because that is the worst way to do things. But I don't have an answer. But this is something important that we need to be all aware of, because otherwise we can't have constructive dialogue in any way, shape, or form. Yeah. See you guys next week.